In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password for your account on Commonwealth Bank if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in commercebank.com and press enter. This will take you into the official website for Commonwealth Bank. Now in order to reset your password, you can directly enter your customer ID after selecting your account type from the home page, or you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then do the same as well. Select your account type and then enter your customer ID and click on the login button. This will now take you into the login portal where you will be asked to enter your user ID and your password. Now in case you cannot remember your user ID, you can click on Forgot Your Customer ID as well. To reset your password, click on Forgot Your Password button. You will then be asked to enter your customer ID and the last 4 digits of your social security number or your tax ID, whichever you use to sign up for your account. So simply type in your customer ID and the last 4 digits of your SSN or tax ID credential. You can also click on Forgot Customer ID button if you can't remember your customer ID. After providing the information, click on the Continue button and your information will be verified either through email or your phone. Once your verification is complete, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Then just go ahead and set up your new password, and then you can use your new password along with your customer ID to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Commonwealth Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.